Good evening, friends. Myself Ishan, and now I am going to tell you about the NATO and Warsaw Pact. So, NATO is an organization which full form is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. So, what happened that there were two things formed after the World War II. One was NATO, and second was Warsaw Pact. So, NATO was an organization which was made for the Western Europe, and the Warsaw Pact, which was also called War Pact, was the pact which was for the Eastern Europe. And NATO include countries such as the UK, Netherlands, Belgium, and etc. So now I am going to tell you about the history of NATO. So mainly NATO was founded in 1945 and 1947. There was 1948 there was a treaty of Brussels, which was the treaty between the five countries. So the five countries were Belgium, Netherlands, UK, Luxembourg and France. So these five countries made a treaty among themselves for the well-being and the security of each other. But the next year in 1949, it changed to NATO, the North Atlantic Organization, Treaty Organization. So it joined many countries such as US, Canada, and all the countries. So mainly there were five permanent countries that I have told. And then what happened that at the same time in 1955 the Warsaw Pact was made, and it was made in Warsaw, which was currently the capital of Poland. So in that the pact was made, and what happened that it was not that successful such as NATO. NATO is working till now, but Warsaw Pact was dissolved in 1991 when USSR disintegrated. As you all know that before 1991 it was the whole USSR and it consists of many countries. But after 1991 it was came to be known as the Russian Federation, and many countries also broke. So what happened that some of the countries after breaking the Warsaw Pact came back to the NATO and joined NATO. So the NATO, as I have told you, is known as the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, works at four pillars. First, military and political. Second, the 2010 strategic concept. Third is the collective defense. And fourth is the well-being of all. It is another pillar of the NATO. And now I am going to explain these all one by one. So political and military also consist of the well-being of the countries or the members of them, and then we have collective defense, which is actually the if you will attack any one country of NATO, then the whole members of NATO will attack you together. So this is known as the collective defense, and also what happens in that it is only invoked at once. And then we have the 2010 strategic concept, which was the concept which was launched in 2010 as the name suggests, and it was made for a decade plan. Currently it is 2020, so maybe there will be another concept, and this was a decade plan for the safety and security environment for the members of the NATO. And then what happened that some of the countries of NATO also rejoined and withdraw from it, such as 1966 the France withdraw from NATO, and in 2009 again the France joined NATO, and currently there are many members in NATO, and the newest are Albania and Croatia. So there is also one pillar which is called the transatlantic link, which basically works on the well-being of the Atlantic touching countries. So you all know Atlantic Ocean, and countries touching to its border they are actually in this transatlantic link, and that's why also it is known as the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, and US and Canada are in this organization. And now I am going to tell you about the works of NATO. So mainly the works of NATO are disaster management. If there will be any problem or any natural calamity, then the NATO force, it have an own army force, and then they will come and then they will help the country members. And let me remind you that NATO only works for the members of it, like I have told you before. And the second work is the security of all the members, because you have all seen in World War I and World War II that there have been a great fight between the Axis power and Allied powers and many more. We will make a separate video for that. But then also for the security, NATO works, and if any country will attack NATO members, then they will attack. That's why I have only told you. And then if we talk about Warsaw Pact and NATO differences, the main differences are that NATO works for the Western Europe, and that Warsaw Pact works for the Eastern Europe. And Warsaw Pact countries include Germany and Poland and Romania, Bulgaria, Hungary, Austria, and many different countries which were in the Central and Axis power. And NATO contained the countries which were in the Allied powers. So these two are the main differences. And let me remind you that the Warsaw Pact is not in existence. It have been removed and dissolved in 1991 only. And then we will talk about the works of NATO one by one. The four main works include security, disaster management, and then well-being. And also every year there is a summit of NATO, everyone works together, and if there will be any problem such as economic or social, then they will work together to manage the problem. So that's all. Thank you.